Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How is everybody today? Lovely to have you all here with me. Thank you very much for being part of our live show. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real money, my real life savings. Everything here is done live. I've grown a portfolio from 5,000 up to 58. We're now back at 39,000 due to all the current crises that are happening right now. And we are joined every day by wonderful traders all around the world. Top traders, some very, very small traders, and some very, very large traders who all use the Day Trader as a place of community, family, support, information, and we all make a lot of money because we all support each other and we all learn from each other. If it's your very first time here, I welcome you all. Let me show you now our live position. Here we go. As you can see on the hour, we're up again very slightly, but moving up now as we go. Let's go right into the live trades and show you my full portfolio. All of my money that I have here at hand. Let me try and fix the camera. There we go, over there on TikTok. As you can see here, here is my live position, and we bring you breaking news as we get it as well with Ukraine. Let's go through the stocks this morning. If you've just joined, let's bring in the information. Let's bring in the ticker first of all. There we go. If it's your first time today, please click subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. And give us a thumbs up as well. Let us know you're here. Like the video. Share it. We're nearly 7 months old now. Been going every weekday for 7 months. It's been quite a journey. And welcome everybody here that's joined us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, the home of our show. Thanks, Big Apple, for the follow. Appreciate it very much indeed. Okay, so you can see my position right now. Here we go. This is live on YouTube right now. Rivian is starting to lift off a little bit. Got a really, really good, strong position there. We will be trimming off Rivian as it pops up. Tesla, I've sold it all, and I'm waiting to buy it back in again. I sold it all at 880, waiting to buy it back in again. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting to buy that. We've still got 200 shares of it, but we're waiting to buy it back in as well. Amazon, we've got 28 minutes before the pre-market starts on Robinhood. That's the portfolio I use. Will the show have a birthday as well? Yes! We should find out exactly the day the show started. In fact, we can do that now. As I'm talking to you, let me have a quick look, and I will tell you exactly. That's a very, very interesting point. I've always thought about it and never actually checked. Let me have a look. Let's see what day the show went live. Let's have a look. Okay. I'll do that right now. Afternoon, Dave. Good morning to you. We're watching the stocks right now. I've got 27 minutes to go. We're up again today, 39,921. Right, I wonder where it will say where we started the show. I wonder. Go to dashboard. Let me have a quick look. Where does it say the day we started the show? Very good point, actually. Analytics. Actually, I think content. If I go to content and then go to the end, the last page, and it'll be the very first video, right? Next page, previous page. Let me just go to the end. I don't know if that's the best way. I have no idea what the best way is, but we'll see. We'll see. I've done 160 videos. Can you believe it? Seems more than that. I would have said it's more than that as well. Oh, yeah, it is more than that. It's way more than that. Okay. Good morning, Bill. Jacob Gamble. During the night, we got a new member as well. I want to welcome a brand new member. His name has disappeared right now, but during the night, we had a new member come on in. So looking forward to meeting him or her. I don't know. I just turned on the YouTube and there was a new member popped in. I'll tell you in a minute. When they come in, we'll see. Let me have a look. And I'm going to write this. When I find it, I'm going to write this down. So it was round about, here we go. We're going back to August now. It was around about July, I think. I started trading. There we go. Last page. Right. Is that it? I think that's it. June 27. Is that the last one? June 27. Oh, yeah. June 27 was the first video. There we go. June 27. June 27. I'm going to write that down now. Okay. June 27, 2021. All right. So June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. We'll be 9 months old soon. Not 7 at all. 9 months. Wow. It's been as long as that. There we go. June 27 was the first video. There we go. Now we know. All right. June 27th was the first video. So I guess that's the birthday, really. That's the birth. I'm here since August 18th. June. Yeah, so you came in a couple of months then, after we started. First video. There we go. I've written that down now. All right. Okay, so we're watching the trades right now. For those of you over on TikTok, we sold our entire Bitcoin. Thanks for the follow, Liam, Big Apple. Jono Walsh, thank you ever so much indeed for being here. Thanks to all of you for supporting me. I appreciate it. If you want to be part of the main trades, though, come into YouTube. That's where we are. That's where our traders. Good morning, Andy Man. Good morning to you. I'm actually based in Cornwall, United Kingdom. My studio is here in Texas. All right. Okay. Now, next couple of days, we upgrade your experience on TikTok. There'll be a big screen here. Thank you, courtesy to Peru Invest, who donated $300 to support my channel. And because of that, I bought a screen. Driving to work. Are you going to buy back into Bitcoin? Yes, I am. But I'm going to wait for it to go down. I've been out of the money for such a long time. And also, I know Bitcoin can go up. And it could hit 100,000, million, whatever. We all know that. But right now is a time when I really thought it would explode. And it hasn't. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 60,000 was the top for now. I mean, who knows in the future? But it's not suddenly exploding like everybody said it would. Now, I'm not saying it can't or it won't, but I'm simply saying I was out. I made a lot of money from Bitcoin. I sold, and but then I bought back in again, and so on and so forth. And up to recently, I've been out of the money, and the reason for that is I bought back in again at the top, and you know, I had an average of 45,000. Well, now it's gone down to 43. So I sold it when it hit 45,000. I basically made a wash for my latest trades. I mean, I've made money on it before, but I then sold it all at 45,000, and since then it's dropped back. So what I'm looking to do now is it seems to bounce and seems to have its floor at 35. So anywhere between 35 and 39, and it does it from time to time. I'm going to buy back in there again, probably about maybe $5,000 around about here. And look, it's done it a few times, you know, and then have that as my base, my new base, and go from there. But remember what we've always said, don't join a fan club. You know, we're here to make money. We're not here just to join a fan club. And I think that's where I want to buy it back in. Anyway, do you have the video for August 18th? I want to see what song you were singing that woke me up and started my adventure. August 18th. Yeah, I'll look later. That'd be interesting. I have picked up more ETH and I'm currently staking it and Bitcoin. I want to get into that. I'm missing out with that. In fact, there's no point right now, obviously, because I'm currently out of it. But yeah, Ethereum, I got into it with you, Dr. Smith, but I've never actually made any money. In fact, I'm 30% down. I bought it at the wrong time. And my average is 4,213. So I've been out of the money on Ethereum forever. Again, the same thing. I bought it in at the wrong time. Of course, I could buy it now and lower my average. That would be very easy to do. It'd be very easy to do that, actually, wouldn't it? But again, Ethereum follows Bitcoin. Really, it's at a relative high right now. Relatively, I know it's been higher, but I think I should wait again and then pick it up, because I could buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin if I just clear your name away just a second. If I look at it now, look, if I buy $1,000 of Bitcoin, sorry, Ethereum right now. All right, so I basically double my investment. I buy $1,000. My Ethereum average will drop to 15% down rather than 30% down. Massive, massive, massive improvement if I did that. But I think it could go lower, and then I'll do it. Then I'll do it. All right. Let's go. Rocket has had a decent week so far. Interested to see how it does. Jacob Gamble. Thank you, Jacob. Jacob's one of our members. Thank you, Jacob. Jacob, don't forget to remind all our members, if it's your birthday, yesterday, today, or day after, or you or a family or loved one you'd like to donate you to, let me know. If you're a bronze member, I will do happy birthday during the show. If you're a silver member, let me know, and you can have a 20-minute concert. You could do it as a fundraiser. We've done that for people, or you could do it as a birthday party. Let me know, and let me set it all up for you. Plus all the other perks. Let me know if you want me to promote your YouTube channel or engage with you on social media, put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you're a silver, and also make me a member, a manager of your channel, and I will actually make you a video as well to put on your channel. I've oozed, hang on a minute. Let's have a look. Let's read here. Silly comments on TikTok right now. Haha, my birthday was actually last week. I turned 24. Oh, what? You were, you remember? We could have celebrated that with you. Happy birthday for last week. I only wish you told me. It's all in the... By the way, when you become a member, please read all the perks. It tells you the main perks. There are a lot more that I can't add. YouTube only allow me to add so many, but there are more. For example, the feature on your YouTube channel and social media, and make a video as a manager on your channel as well. That's really big. Hi, it's okay. Thank you very much, Martin. I'm sorry I wasn't unable to do that. 879, right, Tesla's dropping. I'm waiting to buy more. Virgin Galactic is now just down slightly. I'm waiting to buy more. I have 200 right now. Let's look at our Lucid. Lucid, we are now down just 0.25%. We've got just coming up to 15 minutes to go. We're getting ready. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell, and thumbs up the video. We've got 21 watching. Have you noticed, guys, we used to get 20 people watching. We now get 20 people watching before the bell goes. I don't know if you've noticed the growth. You can actually see the growth now. So, I mean, we are growing every day, but sometimes you can't see it. But you certainly can now. Smash the like button. Let's get over 20 likes before the bell goes. Okay, we've got 1.5 minutes to go before I bring up the timer. Thank you very much indeed. And just watching my subscriber go backwards. Just as I celebrated that, my subscribers went down too. That always happens whenever you say something. You don't want to say too much, because it happens every time. Anyway, there we go. Welcome our members over on TikTok. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you with me. Click the follow and you will receive my Bitcoin video later on as well. If you are a member over TikTok. Okay, haha, it's okay. Thank you very much, Martin. Let's bring everybody in. Leah's here. Right, we've got just a few moments to go. Hi, Bill. William Karam is here this morning. Dr. Nathan Smith is with us. Bill, Moose is driving. Okay, timer. Here we go. 15 minutes before the pre-market. Now, we've got information to tell us that we're going to get more information, an earlier start time on Robinhood shortly. Here we go, 15 minutes from now. There we go, spot on. We're right in there now. Yeah, they're going to increase the hours, which will be very useful. Alex is here this morning. Alex, one of our sponsors. So we'll be mentioning Alex Nudget Budget Move It this morning, one of our sponsors here. and our sponsors get commercials in our video. So what we'll do later on in the show, we will promote Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And I hope some of you have reached out to him for his services. He's one of our sponsors, and we appreciate our sponsors very much. Whenever they come in, we mention them and run a commercial for them. And they are also on the homepage of our YouTube channel. We'll share that with you very shortly. Here's Nudge It, Budget, Move It. And we will actually get you all to have a look at their YouTube channel as well. Has Hood given up on its wallet? No, the wallet's out. The wallet's been out for ages. Robinhood has its wallet out. I have my wallet. If I show you my Bitcoin position, my wallet's here. And how can I show it on here? It's on the app. I'll do it on the app. Okay. I'll go back to it. Let me show you. You want to know about the wallet? I'll show you. The wallet is here. I've never looked for it on the... Here we go. Look, here is the Bitcoin. Here it is, Robinhood's wallet. I must have missed that when I was ill. Yeah, I'm sorry, mate. No worries. Look.
Civil population.
Here is my Bitcoin. This is the app, of course. And send and receive. We give crypto, remember? But now you've got... send and receive. And you can send to another wallet. So before it was just Robinhood to Robinhood, but now, so if I go 0.00001, continue, there you go, paste Bitcoin wallet address, see it there, look, so I could send it to my wallet, or anybody else's wallet for that matter. But there it is. The wallet is now here. You can move your crypto around and do what you like with it. But yeah, it is there. All right, you can crypto give it within Robinhood, but you can also do it as well within by giving it to people. All right, through a wallet. There you go. Awesome stuff. Okay, let's move on now, and we're looking at my portfolio is up 0.5% today. We're looking to buy back into Tesla. We've sold all our Bitcoin, by the way, just took into TikTok, and we're waiting to buy it back in, hopefully today. Shame the share price has not jumped then. No, indeed. If we look at Hood right now, it's down. But I've made money on Hood. Hello, bonjour, Bishus Notches, howdy, Dodorano, holla, afternoon. 50,000 Murray. Who's going to be first on it today? Who's going to be first? 50. Whoops, a daisy. Whoops, it might not be me because I've messed up. 50,000 Murray. I think it's going to be me. No one's beaten me yet. 50,000 Murray. 50,000 Murray's in the house, and I'm the first one in. Yes. Now, tomorrow, Friday, it's the cash giveaway. The Beatles, Sean, how are you guys? All your sauces and spices have been sent. Keep me updated when you receive those. There's a bit of a delay with because the reason why there's a delay, Melinda's sauce didn't realise I had an audience all over the world. They didn't bank on that, and they've been trying to work out how to send people sauces, because the packs are heavy, and it literally would cost hundreds of dollars to send someone in the UK, literally hundreds of dollars, and they didn't realise. So they're trying to work it out, but they don't want to let me down, and they don't want to let you down. But they wanted to say that to you, to let you know they are. It's in hand. It's taken longer because they're trying to work out if they can send it from their suppliers in the UK and Italy for Alicia and Patricia. But you can understand, of course, that as much as we love. All of you guys, Murray and Dave Mottram and Rob McLean in Scotland and Alicia and Patricia in Italy, Melinda Sauce doesn't want to spend $300 giving you some sauce. You can understand that, right? And they didn't realise. It was no one's mistake. They just didn't realise that I had people all over the world. So they've apologized, but they're trying to get it sorted because they don't want to let me down and they don't want to let you down. So and they don't want to disappoint. That was the actual word they used. Right, 879, testers dropped a little bit now. SPCE, we've got 10 minutes to go before the pre-market. I've got 200 shares of Virgin, which is great in case it pops up, make some money. But I also want to get it I also want to get in lower as well. Maybe bite the bullet and use Amazon. What do you mean, Bill? They can't just buy it from Amazon. The idea is they're a sponsor and they have stock they want to give away. They're not just going to buy it on Amazon, but you know, they wanted to give their stock away. It's not a good investment for a sponsor to have to buy its own stock from a retailer. They want to give you their stock. That's what they want to do. Then anyway, we'll see how it works. We'll see how it all pans out. But anyway, I just wanted you to know where we were at and what we're trying to do for you. Colin, thank you for the follow. Thank you ever so much indeed over there on TikTok. We're going to upgrade your experience in the next couple of days. There's a big screen's going to go here so you can see my trades, and that's courtesy of one of our members, one of our family members, that is. Here on the Day Trader, he donated $300 to my channel, and I invested it to buy a screen for you guys. I didn't win any, but if Melinda Source want to send me some, Bonnie Scotland, then who am I to refuse? Yeah, Murray, I know you didn't. I was just naming people in in the UK and Europe. That's all. In the US, it's no big deal, but it's just difficult for those in you know, that far away. I mean, I've got people watching me in Australia and New Zealand, and they had no idea. Anyway, back to the trades. 879. We're looking at that now. Rivian last night. Did you? Last night we had huge night last night. Snowflake, you saw it. C3 AI as well. Huge. I made profits on both of those. I'm out of those now, and of course, Peru Invest gave us the tip on that. Really great. And very big night. What was the other one as well? That I bought into. What was the other one? Let me just double check. I'm not looking at it, and I should be. Where is it? What did I buy? SoFi, that's right. I need to bring that up. I forgot about that. Forget sometimes. There's so many stocks, and this is why I need to clear some of my stock. SoFi, thanks, mate. Yeah, thank you. Right, where am I with that? Yes. Yeah, that's right. I'm down 15% with that one. Now with SoFi, I made $180 on the trade. I bought in. Peru gave us a great tip. We sold out, made $180. I bought back in again because I could see a future for it, and it's been trading sideways. So I'm down now 208, but in real terms, I'm only down $30 because I made 180 on it already, and I'm going to keep it because I think it's got a great future. I liked it, so I'm keeping it for now anyway. Right, 39.95. We're doing well. We're moving up. We've got 6 minutes to go. Thanks for reminding me, Dave. I appreciate that very much indeed. Over there on TikTok, if you want to join our main show, click the profile link here, click the icon, and you can come into YouTube. It's right behind, it's on my profile. You've got Instagram and YouTube, and pick the YouTube link and come and join us. Thanks for the follow. Loads of follows today. DC for Laughs and CSEC. Thank you ever so much indeed. And Colin Pitchford, thanks so much indeed. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man, voted by Elton John, and Day Trader by Day. I guess it makes sense to be a day trader by day, right? As opposed to any other time. Now, someone mentioned to me yesterday, and I was really impressed. I was like, oh my gosh, people notice these things. Someone yesterday said to me, oh, is it casual Wednesday? You're not wearing a tie? Now, if you remember, I started wearing a tie when the war broke out. And then for some reason, I stopped wearing a tie yesterday. And it was noticed. So I've put on the tie again because I started wearing it because I think the gravity of what's going on with Ukraine is beyond comprehension right now. It's getting worse by the minute. and we are edging nearer to a third world war. I hate using these sort of dramatic expressions, but it's the truth. It's the facts as I see them. And oh, we've got breaking news right now. Here we go.
Acute fit of aggression, megalomania, delusion of persecution, heavy psychological complexes, and as a result, missile systems, rocket artillery, tanks, and other armored vehicles, simply like locos. The first hours of days of full-scale war were extremely difficult.
Over on TikTok, if you listen in, we are playing the president of Ukraine. This is our Sky News and BBC live broadcast we add to our stream, okay?
A couple of hours here at the train station at Spce, where we are on the Polish border.
We'll come back to that if there's any more breaking news. A lot of obviously news does repeat itself over and over again because people pop in at different times. But we use Sky News and the BBC. And the reason we use those is they're not opinionated, they're on the ground, and they're just giving you the facts, and that's what I use, okay? Like Mark Corn did, he's in the UK and sent me a bottle of Melinda's free. Well, it wasn't free, he bought it. Mark Corn bought you that sauce from Amazon. That's what he did, Bill. It wasn't free. And unfortunately, Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping this morning. Let me bring it to you. Breaking price alert. Let me share that with you right now. Here we go. There we go. Breaking news. Bitcoin is pumping up. 39.9, 43.9. It's moving quite quickly. Just for a moment there, it moved. We'll keep our eye on that. But that doesn't matter. It's what Bitcoin does. But I want to get in at 35, and each time it pops up to 40, 45, I'll sell it. That's going to be my new strategy for a while right now. Not holding it forever, that kind of stuff. 35, 45, 35, 45, until now it's going back down again. See that? It moves as up as quickly as it goes down. It's a day trader's dream. Yeah. Anyway, let me go back to that. Clear that off a minute. There we go. So we'll come back to that. With 2 minutes to go. Yeah, I appreciate your suggestions, Bill. I mean, Greg, who owns the Melinda sauce, he's probably a billionaire. It's a global brand. He's very well aware of how to send sources out. We're just trying to find the very, very best way. They're very decent people. That the fact they sponsor my channel. So are you out of C3 AI now? Yes, I am. Right, we're popping up now. 40,000. 1 minute to go. Now, where's that profit coming from? SoFi, it's not there. Tesla, I'm out. 881, that's moving up. Rivian, that's moving up. That's some money coming in there. Virgin Galactic, it's not there. I'm making some money from somewhere. This is one thing I wish it would tell me. I'd really love it if the app would tell you what, I mean, you can go through you know all your stocks, I mean, one by one, but it'd be great if it popped up and said what was actually flying up, what was actually moving up. The trouble, very often, look, it's a collection of everything. It's a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and it all adds up, you know. I'm up, there's little bits all over the place. But anyway, we've got under a minute to go now. Get ready to go. We're going to trade, hopefully, and let's get into it. That woke you up, didn't it? That woke you up. Woke me up, I tell you that. Rolls Royce flat. I'm trying to see what is lifting off so much. Apple. Yeah, I mean, it's a collection. Oil down 4% today. It's flushing right now. Do you think Bitcoin will bounce off 37? I mean, 37, I'd buy it there just the same. Right, here we go. We're getting ready. I've got Tesla ordered. Here we go. This is the soft bell. We're a bit low on likes today. What's going on? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Clear the timer. I'm just trying to correct the, there we go, the light on TikTok again. That's why if you see me fly around like that, it's because I'm battling with TikTok because I have to go on my phone at the moment. It's very frustrating. Tesla is 881, right. It's popped up. I'm out of it right now. I'm up today, $300. 40,000 again. We really are going up quickly as well. SoFi, here we go. SoFi is moving up. That's where it's coming from. Okay. Tesla 881. I'm currently out, waiting to buy back in. Waiting to buy back in. 881. This is where I sold it. Soft likes. The Beatles, Sean, love it. Now this is where I sold out before, and I want to buy back in here. Now, if we're going to get a bit of a pump, hang on a minute. What's happened there? What's happened there? Undo. Hang on, let me change that. That's better. Apologise for that. That was a bit honker-jod all over the place. Right, 883. Tesla is rising this morning without me. I'm not in it. But let's see if we can get a bit of a drop. 883 is still relatively low compared to where it was, though. We've been up to 1,200. We could return there at any point. But I want to get back in there. Now, Rivian is at 1.76. This is good. That's where my money is coming from this morning, Rivian. Now, if we're going to get Rivian pop up. Virgin Galactic, right, here we go, 932. This is where we can make our money. Now, Bitcoin also is firing off. We're at 44 now. Watch it closely. If you've just tuned in over there on TikTok, welcome to you. We're up to 40,000 now. 350 bucks, 1%. SoFi is doing it for me. There we go. Now, so far I'm 20 bucks out of the money. 20 bucks out of the money. If you remember, I already made 180. So we're now down 200, which means I'm down 20 bucks. 883, where are we going to go? SPCE, we want to get back in with SPCE. Right, 932. So we're down 1%. Still low to where it's going to go, but we might get a drop. Do you think Bitcoin will bounce off 37? I mean, it's immaterial, really, Alex. If it hits 37, I'll buy it. If it hits 39, I'll buy it. I'll just keep accumulating, hoping it does go lower. I'll probably buy 1,000 at 39, 1,000 at 38, maybe 2,000 at 37, and so on and so forth. Back up to about 5 grand again. That's the plan anyway. Right, we're firing off this morning. Let's check our position. Yep, our buying power's good. Yep, SoFi is up nearly 1%. Tesla is 883, 882. This is where I sold it out. So I could buy it back in now. Sometimes you have to readjust your thought process. This is where I sold it. So if I buy my 9 shares back at 882, it doesn't matter. That's where I sold out. That's what I sold it for. I'm buying it back at the same price, and go from there. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. We've got 25 minutes before the bell goes. Rivian is firing up. 2%. 2% now. 116 bucks this morning. That's where my profits are coming from. Virgin Galactic, right. 934. We want to start accumulating now. 934. It's still too early. I've set it for 901. But if you stand back and have a little look at it, this is where it bounces from the last few days. This is up and down from around here. Look, 919, 927, all around here is where it's been bouncing from. Is it going to drop down further? No one knows. That's where you want it to go. You want it at 782 just a month ago. But I made the money from there. I doubt if it's going to go down there again now. Right, Bitcoin's up 1.68. Now, Bitcoin is now up to 44. It's holding at 44. Cindy Aram says, say bottle of water. Happy to oblige. Bottle of water, Cindy Aram. I hope that entertained you for some reason on TikTok. I get people on TikTok often say to me, say this or say that, and I never know why. But as long as it's not rude, I'm happy to oblige. 40,114. Okay, we're getting new records again now for recent days. Nowhere near where we used to be, but we're starting to do well again. Up on the week, up on the day, up on the hour, up on the month. What about the 3 months? 23% to go. We've got a long way to go for 3 months, but nevertheless, very, very nice today. Okay, SoFi is up. I'm going to hold this now for quite a while. I think this could be a $40 stock. That's what I was listening from Peru Invest. Right, if you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. For some reason, we're only at 16. What is going on? Smash the like button. Let us know you're here and come into the chat. The Beatles, Sean is here. Alex is here. Nudge it, budget, move it. Oh, nudge it, budget, move it. Could you do something for me, please, mate? Could you do something for me? If it's at all possible. You are a sponsor, and I know this account that you use for some reason doesn't let you use a card. I understand that. And last month you paid via PayPal, which is better for me because obviously there's no commission from YouTube. But without you as a member, you are losing some of the benefits and some of the things I want to do, and I can't track the progress of your account and offer new benefits because a lot of the benefits are through membership and I can't do it. So what I'd like you to do, if you wouldn't mind, if you can't fix this account, and I know it's frustrating, is just create an account on YouTube. Take 10 seconds, just create an email and a new channel. You don't have to have any content. You don't have to do anything with it whatsoever. But then use that one, you know, and name it Alex so I know it's you, you know. And use that one to then become a member as a sponsor, because without you doing it through PayPal, a lot of the features that we're adding, new features that we're going to add, you won't get any of them because they're all to do with the internal system of YouTube. Even though I get more money from PayPal, I do really want you to be a member through YouTube so I can give you the best service. So just create an account. You don't make any videos, no content, nothing. Nudge it. This is your main, you know, Alex or Nudge It, Budget Move, whichever one you use is your main accounts. I get that. But it's just one for you to have the membership under. That's all. So you can be recognized and receive the benefits. I hope that makes sense. And if you could do that, that'd be great. I'm still in C3AI. Let's have a look. I have 4 YouTube channels. Only use one except to moderate here. Using 2. There we go. SoFi just dropped back down. Right. Let's have a look. I exited last night. C3AI. It did go up again, if you remember. I am also still in C3AI. C3. There it is. Let's have a look. Yeah, oh! Up, hang on a minute. Let me just check it out a minute. Right, so it's back up there. So, right, I sold it at 24, bought at 22, sold at 24. Yeah, it's made a profit. There we go. It's done very, very well. Very, very good. I'm currently out of it now, though. So there you go. But Drillian and Peru Invest. Welcome, Peru. We're honoured to have you here this morning. Now, Friday morning, tomorrow, every Friday at this time is our cash giveaway. Now, what I'm doing for Peru Invest and Drillian, I don't think you've ever been involved in that. Basically what it is, I make on average about $8, $9 a day on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I give away what I make. All right. So I'm going to give away $10. I do it every Friday, regardless whether I'm up, down, lose money, whatever. This Friday, I'm giving away a cash prize. I do it every Friday at this time on Friday. in our prize raffle, it's members only, but also what I do, our sponsors give us prizes. Now we've had our sponsors from Nudge It Budget Move It. He gave a voucher for his services. We had Melinda Sauce gave away 100 bottles of sauce. We had Spices from Papa Joe Grilling Supplies. So our sponsors do that for us. That's what we do. So to make sure you join in with that tomorrow, it's a lot of fun. It is members only, and I know you guys have said you don't want to be a member, but I'm just letting you know that's what we do for our members. All right, and this is the raffle.
Having some effect. But the other reason that it's slow moving is it's tripping over its own feet.
Here it is. This is the raffle, and all our members' names are in here. And what I do is I click a raffle like that. And the idea is when we get to 100,000 subscribers, they are Murray McKines. You're the second winner. Look, if I did that now. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. But we do that every Friday morning. And as we get more and more businesses and sponsors and stuff like that, we've got 3 now. We will be doing that for our members every Friday. And when I get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a $1,000 cash prize. That's the idea. And we should be there within a year at the growth that we've got right now. Okay, that's what we hope anyway. So, back to the main position. I'm up to 40,000. And I've got to fix my flipping TikTok again. There we go. I fixed it. Thank you, guys. It's only on a phone. That's why it keeps blurring out like that. Great job. Thank you much indeed. And just this one. That's from Bill. Right. So, SoFi is... I'm holding my SoFi right now. I'm out of the AI. Tesla is 885. So, it's leaving me behind right now. 885. I'm out of it. I sold my 9 shares. It's frustrating, of course. I sold it at 88. What did I sell it for? 880, I think it was. Yes, 880. So right now, I'm out. I've lost $45 because I would actually be in it right now. Experiencing this, if I was able to. Now we are up trending slightly, but only 0.5%. Only 0.5%. I'm gonna wait. I'm hoping for a pullback and to be able to get back in again. We shall see what happens. But Rivian is doing well today. I've got 106 shares now. My average is getting lower and lower all the time. SPCE 926, 916, 926. Right. We popped down there. Didn't quite hit my 901, 916. Martin, get in on Tesla. I haven't got any funds though. I'm not in a position to do that. I want to. It's my favourite stock. That with Virgin Galactic. I tell you what I'll do. I will put one. Look, 888. Just do that. Shares. I'll buy one. I'll get back in on one again. Allow. I might even buy 2. There we go. I'll buy 2. Review order. Buy. I've just. There we go. Tester purchase done. I've got 2 again. Paid slightly more, but I want to be back in because we are trending up this morning, and I'll buy it. I'll buy the rest when it drops back down. If it does drop back down. If it doesn't, then I miss out. There's nothing I can do. Virgin Galactic 925. Waiting to buy back in there as well. 925. We're looking to trim off the top from Lucid today as well. Lucid is firing up. Lucid, I'm up now, 1%. I've got 12%. I need to shave off Lucid as we go up. Shave some of that off. It's now 11.5%. So a lot of profit in there. I wish this flipping banner would go away on Robinhood. It drives me mad. They don't normally keep the banners there, but they are. It's annoying right now. Anyway, I'm up $50 now, 1%. I'm going to shave off there soon. SPCE, 923. Got an average now of 935. Let's see if we can get a bit of a drop. 923, 925. This is all cheap right now. Rivian was down 13% yesterday. Biggest one-day drop since it opened. Yeah. But we're up today, 1.64. So I think I've got a nice base. Same there, I got to trim off as well. Tesla is firing off, look. 885. Go back to our Bitcoin position. Where are we? Bitcoin is now 43.9. So he dropped back again. Rivian is holding. SPCE at 925. I've got 200 shares of it right now. I do want to get some more. It went down as low as 916. The portfolio now is at 41. SoFi is doing well. Moose, hello. Good morning, Moose. Hey, Moo. Everybody's in there. Right, we've got 19 likes right now. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We've got 13 minutes to go before the bell goes. And smash the like button. Let's see if we can get the 20 likes before the bell goes. That's always our aim to do. SoFi is moving up. Tesla is now firing off. I've only got 2 shares of it right now. We're watching closely. SoFi, this is AI as well. This is doing well this morning, up 30%. I'm waiting to buy PLTR today. Palatine. Is that this one? No, that's PTN. Oh, PLTR. This one here. I've got this one here. Yes. I've got 20 shares of that. It's down 5% now. SoFi Technologies is up 5.52. It has been good to me. Yeah, me too. Tesla 885. Waiting to buy back a dip. SPCE 925. We've got 12 minutes to go. Hey Moo, Rory Murphy's back. Hey Moo, what do you mean in the episode? Oh, Murray McKines has just become a member. Would everybody please welcome Murray McKines, became a bronze member. Yabba dabba doo. Oh, would everybody please welcome our new member? Do do be do 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 be do be da. We got a new member on YouTube, folks. He's going to be in the prize draw tomorrow. Thanks for supporting the channel. You'll now get emails from me for breaking prices. You'll also get... No, I'm not new. Well, it's just come up. Oh, member for 2 months. That's all it is. What? It just came up. It's a month's member. Oh, now I look an idiot. Don't. It's 2 months. Okay. Let's give him a big round of applause for 2 months. Dear oh dear. I was only reacting. I was reacting to the screen. Oh, God. Yeah, all right, everybody. Yeah, everyone have a good laugh at that. I got all excited then. I can't remember who's a member. I just look at the screen. How can I possibly remember everything? Right. Right. Virgin Galactic, we're waiting for it. 40,123. So, yeah, you're all laughing at my expense. Yeah, you carry on. Tesla 885. I'm waiting for a pullback. I just did buy some this morning. I bought 2 back, just because it started to rise up there, which is not the way to trade, of course. But anyway, Rivian, we want to trim off some at the moment. Now, Rivian, my lowest is 54.49, I think. was my last buy-in. Yeah, 54.49. So we've not made any profits on that yet. 50,000 Murray, and you think I'm new. Yeah, I know. It just popped up, right? C3 is up 10%. Yeah, it's doing very well. Let's have a look at it now. Done very, very well. I sold out with that. I wasn't in a position to keep my money in there. Anyway, I kept in SoFi. Tesla is now up 0.58. Now then. Rivian is up 1.31. I was asking, why is the live called I sold all my Virgin? Just checking if there is news I didn't know about. The reason for that was I sold all my Virgin. Yes, there's nothing new. That you've been here regularly, right? I sold all my Virgin. I'm slowly buying back in again. I've traded it multiple times, and at the moment, we've got the news, we've got the plan, we know what Virgin are going to do, but of course everything's being impacted now by the war. So what I did, I took all my profits and bought back the dips. That's what I've done. I've sold all my Virgin, waiting to get back in again. And I've got in several times. Several times I bought 1,500 shares and sold the whole thing, made some profits. So basically, I'm living on profits right now, to be fair. And we are trading it again. I've only got 200 shares right now. But I don't think you've missed anything. Other than everything. Everything that happens every day. You need to go back and watch the last 5,000 hours of YouTube. If you want to know what's going on. Right, we found out this morning June 27th was our actual birthday. June 27th. So actually we're a lot older than we thought we were. Anyway, Meta is up. Facebook, of course. We're watching SPCE for a dip. We've got 8 minutes to go now. 8 minutes to go. We've got 9:35. We've got 200 shares in it should it pop up, but I'm looking to get it lower. I did miss a little bit of a tremor there at 9.16. This is where limit orders don't really always work. I've got 9.01 set, but I would have bought at 9.16. I would have bought at 9.16, maybe 200 shares, and flipped it already by now. Hi, is Google stock being split on July 15th? I don't know. Does anyone know the answer to that? Can anyone answer Vapor's Guy's question? Is Google being split on July 15th? Now, Murray McKines, as it's your 2 months, if you go into the... if someone could answer that question, that'd be great. Murray McKines, if you go into the Super Chat, the little $sign underneath, you've got, as a 2-month member, you have got a free Super Chat, I think. Go and check it out. I think when you become 2 months old, there is a free Super Chat. Doesn't cost you any money. Go and check it out. I think there's something in there. I'll wait to see what happens before buying Rivian. Right, C3 AI is firing up today. I'm out of it now. Oh, there we go. Too bad, too late. SoFi is holding its ground though. Tesla just dropping back. Oh, look at that. 8.80 is where I wanted to buy it. Sorry, that's where I sold it out. And I did something I never do. I got a bit excited this morning. Oh, Rivian, not quite made any money yet. Yep, just checked. 20-1 split. That's Google. Oh, that'll push the price up of Google. It always does. Yeah. When's that happening? July 15th. That will put the price up. You can see it's already moving today. It's up 1%. So, do we get in some more Google? Alfing GmbH, how are you, mate? Musa is showing me some stuff as well, July 15th. Yeah, so you want to get into Google right now. That'll increase the price of Google. And if you look at it, it's pretty flat over the last last week, last month. It's not bad though. 2.5. C3 is up, doing very well. Sal Cordic, do you think Chamath being sued will help SPCE at all? I've no idea. That's all just FUD and drama for me. SPCE, we've made a lot of money on SPCE. I've got Sal Cordic is obviously an SPCE fan with me. Lovely to have you here. I sold all my positions several times. Sal, lovely to have you here. I don't know. Do you think Chamath being sued will help Spce at all? I don't think it has any effect on it at all, does it? He's not a member of. He's not the director anymore. He's out. He's not a member of the board. I don't know how that will affect anything. What do you think? I just want to welcome Sal. Could everybody please welcome Sal? We've got a visitor today. Popped into the show. Sal, put your country and city where you're from. My name is Martyn Lucas, voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. I'm a singer, musician. I do fundraising events and concerts for people here in my TV studio, and I also do a lot of Ukraine events right now. But by the daytime, I trade my life savings live on the show with you guys as the day trader. I'm from Cornwall, United Kingdom, but I am based here in Texas, Dallas. And lovely to have you here. So thank you very much indeed. If you'd put the city and country where you're from, New York City. Would everybody else do the same, please? And welcome a member to the family. We've got a visitor right now. Welcome, Sal, Tampa Bay, Florida. There you go. Now, Sal, as a visitor, I can give you a few things. First of all, I can invite you to be a subscriber and thumbs up the video. We are live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Also, what we do here as well is a lot of sponsors give me stuff to give away. I have free shares, free stocks, free crypto. You can be in my Discord group, my Twitter group, all that stuff. And here is my all links button if you're interested. Everything you see here is real. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a real guy just investing my life savings. I've spent 37 years touring 195 countries as the world piano man, making friends and learning and reading people. That's what I do, all right? And this is my money. I've grown it from $5,000 up to 58. Virgin Galactic is its spaceport in the UK is 5 minutes from my home in the UK. I'm all in. I know Richard Branson, Sir Richard Branson. I love it. I've just been trading it as well. It's a long-term position, but my portfolio is a combination of a long-term swing, scalping, day trading, all in one. This is for the integrity and honesty of this show, this is all my money all wrapped up in one. This is it. I don't have a pension. This is it. This is my life savings. So everyone can see my growth. My journey started on June, where was it? I read it out earlier. June 27th was the birthday of the channel, and I started trading live on air, and I've gone from 5,000 all the way to 58 now, back at 39. If you'd like to become a member and receive many, many perks, including free concerts you can have online, birthday songs, exclusive content, emails from breaking prices, all kinds of extra perks and benefits, sponsorship levels, free cash giveaways every Friday, prize giveaways. There's the invitation to become a member. All right. Everyone's welcome to win, I think. Right, SoFi has dropped back down. Tesla, right, here we go. I shouldn't have bought in. I know I shouldn't have done it. But nevertheless, I did. I've got 1 minute to go. Here we go. I knew I shouldn't have bought in Tesla this morning, but I went with some emotion, and I should never do that. Every time I do that, I do get very connected to my audience, and I do those things. Here we go. The bell's about to go. Virgin Galactic is popping up again. Trying to get back in again. I would have been in 9.16 if I had the chance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're off to the races. The market is now open. And Tesla's going down. It might pop back up again. 878. Right. Rivian, SPCE, 829. I've got 200 right now. I've had 1,500 shares at one point. Amazon, Rivian's going back down again. Tesla, I've got pre-orders set in here. Buy a Tesla share, one. Get ready to buy one manually as well. We've got the first 15 minutes, obviously always volatile. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Why did you sell your Bitcoin? Because I've made money from it and now I want to buy it back cheaper. 876 review. Here we go. How low will this go? I'm annoyed at myself for just buying in there. I don't trade like that. I'm trying to be more disciplined with myself. And I do get carried away with excitement. I do it very often. And I shouldn't. Review order. Let's keep our eye on SPCE as well. 926. I've got a few orders placed. I can't wait so I can buy some options. Virgin Galactic at 826. Tesla 876. I'm going to buy one at 878. There we go. I bought another one at 878. Lowered my average a little bit more. There we go. Just got that one in. I've now got 3 shares again. Nice. I had 9 at one point. SPCE, waiting to get 926. 925. Here we go. Get ready to buy at 200. Oh, there we go. Buy 300 is my magic number right now. Review that. Let me refresh the screen. Lucid, what's Lucid doing? Lucid's dropping again. 24.13, yeah. Can't do nothing right there. I'm out of the money, but I'm holding that though. Buy 300. Review order. I've got it set at 901 if I miss it, but 921. That's 920. When you feel it's right, we had a bounce this morning off here, which was 916. I don't mind owning it at this price at all. We know it's going to go to 50 to 100 bucks later in the year. We know that. So we're just waiting for it. Virgin Galactic now 920. It's lowered my average again. Let's wait for it. Let's see if we can get that 916. First 15, 20 minutes, half an hour is the most volatile of the day. It's bouncing back up. When that happens, just got to let that go. Unless you think it's going to be a continual thing. Right. Setting our marker. We know roughly now where it's going today. So if we can just... It's trying to nudge up right now. We've got it. We've got an order set at 901. 500 shares at 901. But let's see where it's going to go. It's undecided right now. I'm happy to buy here at 927. I am. But if I can get a little bit cheaper, then I will. I'm hovering over the buy at 300 shares. I've set it for 901, so if I go away and look elsewhere, what's Rivian doing? Rivian's popping up now. Let's have a look at Lucid again. Lucid's going down, back to SPCE. Tesla's firing off. That's why I just bought another, I've got 3 now. So we're in the profit now with Tesla. 921, 922, 920, it's going down. Buy. 921, okay. I've now got 500 shares. Okay. And I'll pick up some more. I've got my next order. So I don't need to be around it now because I can come out of there because my next order is 901. 901. And that's 500 shares. So, Martin, adding tests about your portfolio is great. You didn't just buy some random stock. No, I know. No, Drillion, I know. I'm just saying some random stock. It's my favourite stock. Virgin Galactic and Tesla all day, every day. Totally, I get it. But remember, I'm not in a position like some of my traders here. This is all the money I have in the bank, right? I started by paying off the mortgage, told you how I did that with those tips on the cruise ships, paid off the car loan. This is all the money I have, right? I haven't got any money to keep adding to buying and holding and so on and so forth. And I wasn't in the position to trade 5 years ago, you know, when Tesla was like it was for you, $40, whatever. Peru Invest. I've got to trade. I've got to get in and out to make money to try to get in that position. So anyway, SoFi is going back down. Tesla is now 878. My average is 883. We'll wait. I've got an order at 801 to buy more. So right now, that's as good as we can do. Rivian is firing up, so I'm going to trim some Rivian in a minute. Right, we've got some profits to take here. We've got some profits to take here. This is good news. Right, let's have a look at the buying power. Right, let me have a look. Tesla is now going down at the moment. So I've got an order in 801. Rivian is firing off, so I've got some money to make here. Rivian, 54.49, 20 shares. Right, I'm going to wait until it gets up in the 60s and then sell some Rivian. Okay, SPCE is now 917. My average, there we go. My average is now 927. So 916 is if it breaks through there. I've got 500 set at 901. So if it hits that, I'll go. I don't think it's right to go much before then. Moo, as you live in the States, do you need to pay taxes on these and buy and sell? Yes, we do. We all pay taxes on our profits. Capital gains, it's called. C3AI, let's have a look at it right now. Okay, it's coming back down again. I'm out of that now, as you all know. Ryan Sullivan, I took my profit last night. What did I make? 16 bucks? And a lot of you laughed at me, and I understand, but it paid for my HDMI cable for the TV that's coming today for TikTok. That's courtesy of Peru Invest to give my TikTokers a much better experience so they can see my trades. Because right now, look, this is what they see. My TikTokers are on a phone here, and they just see my laptop here. Well, I'm going to put a TV screen here so they can get a better experience. So you can have me on TikTok and YouTube at the same time and get 2 different perspectives. All right, so we're just dropping down a bit now. SoFi is going back down, but starting to recover. Tesla is now falling. I'm going to buy some more. 877. I've got an order in 801. Rivian is now firing off. 55. I want to make some profits here. I'm up $182 right now. Virgin Galactic, 917. Right, I'm in at 927. I'm okay with that. Just wondering if you could use your allowance in the ISA in the UK up to 20,000 a year. I know nothing about that, Rory. I'm sorry I can't help there, mate. Maybe someone else could answer that question. Virgin Galactic, 919. 919. Right, it's bouncing off 919. I'm going to buy. Let me get 100 shares lined up. 100 shares lined up at that bounce we have there. Review order. I like when it bounces off that 918, 16. Right, let's do that again. 918. Buy. I'm going to buy 100 there at 917. There we go. That's now got 600. I've lowered my average again to 918. I like it. I've got 500 on pre-order if I get 901. So there we go. We're pretty much done there now. AI, we're out of that for now. Right. We're coming back up again now. Let's check the buying power. Let's see what we're doing. 9. I was trying to help you. I can use mine as in North. Are you talking to me, Rory, or Moose? I'm not quite sure who you're talking to. You said Moose, but Moose isn't saying anything. I don't know if you're talking to me or Moose. I apologise if you're talking to me. Bought DWAC at 97.50. Oh, DWAC. I've made my money on that. I'm not touching that anymore. It's a crazy stock, isn't it? 39.8. Right, SoFi is going back down. Tesla is 879. 877. Right, we've got an order 801 set, so we'll do that if it hits there. Rivian is 50. Now let me have a look. 54.49. 54.49. 54.49. So we could sell. Let me get that ready. No, it's going back down again now. No, not right now. If it goes back up again, I'll sell some there. Snowflake. Yes, Snowflake. We were in last night. What a story Snowflake was last night. Should we have a quick... Should we bring it up into the... bring it up on the screen? Snowflake. You can see what we did there last night. Open link in new tab as well. Right, Snowflake. Yep. You saw what I did there last night. I bought in at 198 and sold at 207. Oh, it's 230 now. It's continued to go up. Oh no, hang on, beg your pardon. Hang on. Yes, I sold at 207. That's right, 207. It's now 230, so it has recoiled a bit. Yes, it has. It's improving. Thank you very much for bringing that to our attention. Going down now. SoFi is going down. Tesla is going down 873. I've got an 801 purchase ready to go. Rivian, when it pops back up again, I'm going to trim. SPCE is now down to 911. I've got 500 set at 901, so I'm going to hold for that. 910. That'll really bump it up if it hits 901. Amazon is going down. Twitter is doing all right. Nvidia is going down. Everything's selling out right now. Rocket Labs is down. Just got a breaking news there. Facebook is holding. Gores Guggenheim is doing very well. Gores Guggenheim doing very well today. Lucid is down. Gores Guggenheim doing very well. I'm up $100 there now. I'm at 9%. Doing very, very nicely indeed. Let's have a quick look at that. That's firing off today. Yeah. That's doing very nicely indeed. Look at that. Gores Guggenheim. Got 100 shares of Gores. Okay, I'm leaving that one there right now, though. Snowflake is slowly making its way up. Right, I'm down now $110 today. SoFi dropping down. Tesla dropping down. 872. We've got an order set in there. Virgin Galactic, if it hits 901, I'm buying 500. Bitcoin, MULN, I bought 7,000 shares for the next 12 months. All right, breaking news, price alert. Let me bring it up on the screen. Price alert. This is breaking news from Peru Invest. Breaking news, price movement. MULN, I bought 7,000 shares for the next 12 months. Check that out. We'll come back to that. Bitcoin is still falling. That's why I'm out of Bitcoin. And that's why I'm currently out of Bitcoin at the moment. All right, there we go. There's your price news. We'll come back to that if we can. C3 is still going down. I'm out of that now. Snowflake is doing better. Right, the portfolio is slipping. SoFi is going down. Still in it. Tesla 872. Not yet. Rivian. I wish I'd sold at the 56.60. Would have taken some small profits there, but never mind. Virgin Galactic is 903. 903. We've got 500 set at 901. We've got 500 set at 901. 902. 904. Is it going to hit 901? I got 500 shares ordered. Put a small position on Ford. You all know my feelings on Ford. We've had that discussion many times. 906. I like it. 906. Is it going to go down to 901? Virgin Galactic here today. Are we going to get that for 901, or shall I jump in now and do a manual purchase at 906? Because it's kind of immaterial, really. It's only when I'm not watching it. 905, 904. Is it going to go through by itself, or should I jump on it? 904. Watching closely. I could buy that now and cancel the order. $903. I'm going to buy at 903 and cancel that order pretty quick, pretty sharpish. I want to cancel that order at 901. There we go. I've cancelled it. I've cancelled that order. It would have gone through. Look, it would have gone through. So I cancelled that order. I've got 1,000 shares now. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Dan. So I wouldn't want to buy another 500 shares. I'd have 1,600 shares, and there you go. 8.99. We are now falling big time today. So there you go. Like you say, 905, 901, same thing. I totally agree with you. If you want to be in at 904. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get really silly, and we're going to set a limit order. Now what we're going to do is let's look at Tesla, Virgin, 867. Right, not going to set any more orders now. We're just going to watch and see how far this goes down, because now we're entering whole new territories, and you just be picking a number out of the sky. Now, I know some of you go, well, there's charts and there's trend lines and there's this and that and resistant levels and support levels. I get all of that stuff, but you know my feeling on that. I don't really believe any of that stuff. So for me, I want to own Virgin Galactic. I want to own Virgin Galactic again. I like it. I've made money from it. I'm happy to own it. If it suddenly goes to 7 or 6 or stupid numbers like that, I'll buy more. I don't mind, but that's okay. Rivian. Now we're going to take some profits now. That's what we need to do. We need to take some profits today. So we're looking at Lucid to shave off, because these are stocks I don't really want to hold long term. Lucid, and I also don't want to hold Rivian long term either. I just want to take some profits. So if Lucid pops out, these have a little bounce, I will sell them. So AI, there we go. Snowflakes falling back down again. The portfolio is now down to 39. We're having a big drop today. Now, who was it? Market Profit said we would have a bloodbath today. He said the stocks would drop dramatically. For me, a dramatic price drop is 10%, not 1.5% on these high-risk stocks that I'm mainly in. So there we go. This is not a crash yet. And if it was going to come, I would have thought it would come by now. SoFi is getting to a bottom. This first 20 minutes, half an hour of the day is always like this. So 866, opportunity to buy if you wanted to get more Tesla. But my target is around 844. Okay, Rivian. Now then, if we get up to 56, 57, we'll start to shave off a little bit. All right, it got as high as 58 at one point, I believe. No, it didn't. 57. SPCE's at 895, 894. Bit of a sell-off today. Amazon's going down. Hi, Queen. Good morning. It's dropped to 9 on eToro. There we go. Twitter's now bouncing back up. Are we getting a return now? Here we go. Okay. So if we do get this bounce back up, we will take some profits. Absolutely right. Rivian is starting to resist at 52. Tesla, 865. Getting some resistance there. Okay. Just bought one back there at 865. SoFi is now picking up. So we're trying to trim off now, and we need to do that. We need to trim off the stocks we don't really want to hold long term, which is Rivian, right? Rivian, if we can get a bounce today, something, we'll trim off there. And also Lucid as well. These are heavy weighted stocks. They need to be trimmed down. Apple, let's look at Apple today. Up today, nearly 1%. On is has dropped back down today. What about Rolls-Royce? Down 2%. Had a good day yesterday. Ethereum, let's have a look at it. Falling again. Bitcoin, yeah, falling again. Not going to touch it until it gets down to 39. Coke is doing well. Moving more into dividend stocks. I like all that. Boeing is falling back. Hood is also falling back today, down to 1120. GGPI is doing very, very well. It was at 11. It was up at 11.92. I was up $100 not that long ago. But we've got the merger coming up in a couple of months' time, so I think that's I want to stay in with that for now. Meta coming up again. SPCE now 892. Average of 915. That's good. Anything in the 8s is fantastic, I think. People talked about it going to $4. I don't see that at all. I don't see that. I see it going to 8, but that's really where I see it going to. But then, you know, you make your decision on that. All right. If you've just tuned in, please subscribe and ring the bell. We need to have a quick word from our sponsors. We've got to promote our members as well. We've got that to do in a second. So let me go into the, first of all, if you're watching me on YouTube right now, of course, if you see an ad now, skip the ad. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. If you saw an ad, there you go. Over there on TikTok, how are you? Thanks for the follow, Ramesh and Andy. Thank you very much indeed. Why did I sell all my Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is now very rocky, very manipulated by Putin. It's not going anywhere right now. I've owned it. I've made money from it. I'm going to buy it back when it drops down again. But right now, I'm out. There we go. Now then. We want to promote our sponsor. Let me just check. Is Nudge It, Budget, Move It in the house? Is Nudge It, Budget, Move It in the house? I want to hear from you. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Are you in the house? If you are, we're going to promote you today because you are one of our sponsors. And when our sponsors come in, we promote them. I just sold QQQ. Ah, interesting. I think the market will fall today. Also, I have my VIXY and SQQQ as a hedge, which I put more in over the last few days. Okay. Thank you for that, mate. Thank you for that information. Always a good strategy with Martin Redding. We like it. Martin, did you get in touch with Greg from Melinda's Source? He offered to give you all those free sources for your event. Did you ever reach out to him? Right, SPCE now getting some resistance. Might be coming back up again now. Let's have a look. For those of you that have just popped in to say hello, I want to give you the all links button for the Discord, the Instagram, the Twitter, all of that stuff. And I'd love you to be members of mine. That's all free. There's a lot of stocks and crypto we give away as well that is given to me from brokerages. So please take advantage of that. And if you want to be a member and get all the benefits, here is the invitation to join. Lots of perks and benefits. And the members are what keep this channel going. I did not ever get back. But I would need email. Right, Martin. Martin, then and please text me. You've got my number, right? Text me right now and I will give you Greg's number. And then you can contact him yourself. All right? Hang on a minute. I'm just thinking a minute. I wonder if Greg would appreciate me giving his number out. How could you message him? Yeah, okay. Send me send me a text so I have it, and then I'll pass it on. I will pass that on to Greg, and then if Greg's happy to contact you, I'm sure he'll get his secretary. He's a very, very busy man. I've seen his home, and it's like Walt Disney's house. I mean, it's a very, very successful businessman. Like seriously successful. So I will pass your number on. Just text me and I will pass it on to him, and then I'll leave that to him to contact you. Okay. Right, we're down $800 today, 2%. 38. We've not seen 39. Really, we've not seen this number for a while. Right, SoFi. It's down 4% today. Tesla, 868, starting to come up. Okay, thank you ever so much. Right, 869. I've got 4 shares now at 879. Not going to buy any more yet, and it's coming back up now. Rivian, I would have sold some here, but I missed the opportunity. SPCE is now starting to recover, 891. We've had the crazy sell-offs. And now we're starting to see things improve. We've got day trader of the day. Ready? We're coming up. Now, of course, tomorrow is the cash giveaway. Every Friday in the morning, it's cash giveaway. And we don't have any prizes this Friday, I'm afraid. We don't have any prizes from a sponsor or anyone, but it is the cash prize we do every Friday. So join us for that tomorrow. Always the busiest show of the week. Very, very exciting. So please do come and join us for that. And Twitter is now lifting up again. Virgin Galactic is now coming up again. I've got a much lower average now. 915. 893. Not buying any more right now. That's enough. Lucid is falling, but now getting a return. GGPI, that hits nearly 12 today. Up $100 on that one. I could have sold that, but I've decided not to. Tesla is starting to return. We are looking to shave off Rivian when it bounces up, if it bounces up, when it bounces up. Rolls-Royces continue to fall down at the moment. Bitcoin is still at 43.4. Same with ETH, it's moving down. Coke's doing well today. Google, now we know about the merger, the split, stock split. It's up 1%. It's going to be very, very good for the stock. It's going to be very, very good for the stock. Oh, thank you very much indeed for my coffee. Thank you. C3 AI is coming up again. Snowflake is trying to push up. The portfolio is now lifting again. Trying to. SoFi is slowly coming up. Tesla's now moving 870. Starting to move now. Rivian. We want to get a bounce there this morning if we can. Virgin Galactic 891 now. I'm not going to buy any more there. Amazon 3,000. Starting to come up again. Twitter. Nvidia. Nvidia is doing very, very well today. We're up now. Palantir Technologies. That's moving up. This is the one that Moose wants to get into. Facebook is also doing well now, moving up. It's getting better. It's had a reasonable last few days. The main portfolio now is 39 again. We were at 40,000 today. So it's getting better. We're looking to make a trade in a minute. We've got back in with Virgin Galactic. We've got back in with Tesla. What we want to do is we want to sell some Rivian because we're overweighted on Rivian because Tesla's a far better company than Rivian. But the opportunities are greater in Rivian at the moment. If we can get a little bounce here, and we can get up to sort of, up around the 60s, 70s, that'd be great. I've got 100 shares of it and 106. If we could do that, that'd be like maybe $20 a share. That's $2,000 I could make there if that happens, and that could happen. And then I would sell a good chunk of that. I'd sell at least half of it, so that 5.5 could go up to 7.5, and I'd sort of 50% of that. That's what I would do. That'd be great. That's what I'm looking to do. And on Lucid, similar sort of idea. I'm only 5% down at the moment, and it's had a lot of bad stuff right now going on. So same with that. I've got a lot of Lucid. I want to get out of that as well. Now we have got some really, really important earning reports coming up. On March 10th, day after my birthday, we've got some great earnings reports coming up, which we're going to cover. Very, very interesting stuff. So look out for that. I want to thank all the follows over there on TikTok today. Thank you very much indeed for the follows. Much appreciated. Virgin Galactic now just falling again. 887. Rivian is now 51.92. Come on, Rivian. Let's have a day when you take off. Tesla, it's a bit of a... It's a bit of a frustrating day. We're not getting much volatility here. We're getting the stocks drop, and then we're just getting them hovering, and it's not an exciting day. Not an exciting day today on the markets at all. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's try and get this party started because it's a bit uneventful right now. So let's have a look. So I am down right now. I am down 2.38%. Down 2.38%. Don't post your scores until I give you the timer. And once I do that, you've got a 1 minute to post your scores, and we'll see who the day trader of the day is today. All right, we'll see who the day trader of the day is. Okay, you ready? Okay. I've just dropped back a bit more as well, 2.72, but there we go. Here is the timer, 1 minute from now. Here we go. All right. Vapors guy, LOL, 0%, no trades. Oh, he's out. What? You don't have a portfolio, Vapors? Are you just a day trader? You don't have any you don't have a portfolio at all. Down 5.25, down 0.64, up. Martyn Redding's up, down 3.49. Bill, there we go. Up. It looks like Martyn Redding's going to be the winner. I don't think anyone beats that. Dave Mottram, sadly, is in the last place. Ouch. Yes, indeed. Oh, Alex Hunt is here. Right. All right, Alex is here. And I wanted to bring Alex in. Right, now, I wanted to, as we're just on this scene at the moment, please bear with me. I want to just adjust this scene. And just fix it. Because for some reason it's moved. Just bear with me. Apologise for making an adjustment during the show, but sometimes you have to because there's no other way of doing it. Right. There we go. I think that's about right now. There we go. Good. Right. Let's do that. Now we're back in with the main trade again. Let's, yeah, I'm the biggest loser. No, you're not, mate. Well, down 1.49 then. Yes, it's your overall position. Just stretch my legs. What did I miss? Everything. We've been trying to promote you as my sponsor. And I was talking to you as well, and that explains it, why you disappeared, why you never answered. I was having a conversation with you, and you never answered, so that I will do it again right now. I will do it again. Just bear with me a second. I just want to... recognise our winner today. Murray's down 4%. Who was our winner? I'm just going trying to find it. Down, up, yeah, the Martyn Redding. Who would have thought we'd win at this score? Up 0.2. All right, here we go. So first of all, everybody, please thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And here's a big round of applause. And here we go. Thank you, Martyn Redding. Okay, cheers. All right, here we go. So, what I was saying to you, Alex, was, basically what I wanted to say was, Alex is Nudge It, Budget, Move It. He's in here in 2 accounts. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is his business. And I think Martyn Redding was going to talk to you, wasn't he, about websites? So hopefully you've reached out to everybody. He's one of our sponsor members. He pays $99 a month to be a member. and a sponsor member, and we run commercials and ads, and we promote him and all that kind of stuff. He's on our homepage of our YouTube channel as a sponsor, and so on and so forth, as you can see right here. So the first thing we want to do is we really, really want to appreciate our sponsors, because without the sponsors, this channel wouldn't exist, all right? So, first of all, if you're new here and you've not subscribed to his channel, there it is, Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Please do that and help support our channel by supporting him. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. There you go. There it goes, in the chat. He's on the homepage of our channel. We'll come back to that in a minute and see if he's gained some subscribers. Right now he has 218. And also as a member, what I do is I make videos for him. I've got more to do for my silver members. They make me managers of their channel. I go in as a manager to their channel, and I can make a video, a video which is a testimonial to their channel. I will then share it mid-show on my show, and the members will all go and subscribe to it, like it, watch the video, comment, and it's great for that person's channel. Now, what I'm going to do now, I didn't see anything. Did you try calling me? I sent an email as well. No, I was talking to you in the show. What I wanted to say, Nudge It, was this. I know you're having difficulty using this account as a sponsor, as the one that you use on YouTube. Some people may experience from time to time your account might not work. It's often because the way the account was set up, Google then doesn't like it being changed. Anyway, it's a long story. We won't go into all that. But the point is, you last month paid your membership via PayPal, which I appreciate, which is better for me because I don't have the commission from YouTube, but it's better for you if you could go through YouTube, because there are now new features we're adding that only automated stuff goes through YouTube. Okay, I can't give you those benefits, and I don't want you missing out. So even though it's better for me as a PayPal, I want you to be on YouTube, right? So what I'm asking you to do, if you wouldn't mind, is because you can't fix this account, and I understand why. If you just create another channel on YouTube, you haven't got, it takes like 5 seconds, just click your icon at the top and go add channel, create a new channel, call it Alex, Nudge It, whatever, just so I know it's you. You don't have to, yeah, you've tried 4 cards, I know. You don't have to have any content, use the channel, do anything with it. It doesn't matter. It's just a new channel you use just to subscribe to the membership. That's it. That's it. But then you'll get all the granddad rights and all the benefits that go with the channel as it grows. Otherwise, you miss out on all of that, right? So all you got to do is click the icon at the top of YouTube, create an account, take like 5 seconds, really, honestly, and don't create an account, don't create any content or use it. Just name it Nudge It or Alex, so I know it's you, all right? You don't even have to come in here using it. You come in as Nudge It, Budget, Move It, but at least then you get all the benefits. It's better for you. Does that make sense? You don't have to do anything with it, comment on it, use it, tag it, share it, do videos. Just have it as an account that you use to subscribe to. That's all. And then you get all the benefits. Because right now I can't send you emails. There's things I can't, content I can't send you because you're not showing as a member. And it's really upsetting me because you pay $99. And anyway, I hope that all makes sense. But yeah, you can just click the top of the icon, create an account, and done. So don't go to all, you went to a lot of stress the other day using all those different cards and stuff. I don't want you to do that. That's a lot of stress for you, right? You don't need to do any of that stuff. You just need to go and create another account. Never use it, just use it. I am a second member. Look above. Yes, but that's your, yes, I know. But that's your bronze membership, isn't it? That's your bronze membership. That's not your sponsor membership, right? So I don't want you to have 2 memberships and pay twice. Does that make sense? So unless you want to upgrade that one to sponsor, then do it that way. Is that what you're intending to do? Anyway, Martyn Redding tried contacting Martyn Redding. Is Martyn Redding here? Nudge It Budget is trying to reach out to you. You can comment and message through the comments below videos. And then, of course, you can contact each other through the website, whichever way you like, right? Anyway, well, we're waiting for Tesla to pop back up. SPCE is still falling. 871. Big falls now. So we are dropping back down. 872. We're not going to do anything else now until we can. Yes, Martin at Martin Redding. There you go. You two are talking now. Great. Okay. So, I want to do this now. A very, very important part of the show. Here is Nudge It Budget Move It's website in the chat. We're going to go back in a second. Did we get any more subscribers? He had 218. Let's have a look. He now has 218. Oh, he didn't move. Everybody's already subscribed to him in this channel. That's frustrating. Okay. Okay. SPCE is falling now, 871. Down 8% today. We really are dropping down now. What we're going to do now is it's showtime. Bring it up now. Okay, here we go. All right, this is our sponsor today, Nudge It Budget Move It. This is his website. If you want a guy that you can talk to every day, he's in the show most days, which is so important if you're going to have a website built, that you can deal with someone that offers you a money-back guarantee, that uses the latest technology. Is very interactive website, as you can see here. Really, really cool stuff. Looks really great. He prides himself on speaking to you, getting back to you very, very quickly. He told me the other day he hates it when he doesn't reply straight away. So he gets really frustrated about that. He's a guy you can talk to live here in the chat. You can talk to him. He does a money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied, he'll get everything done until you are. Look at this. Great. He uses latest technology to make your website look great. His contact details are here on the website. I've given you the link in the chat. You can reach out to him. So Nudge It, Budget, Move It. He's based in Milton Keynes in the United Kingdom. And but the great thing about this service is there's a link in the chat. He's got a budget for everyone's needs, what everyone needs. He has a budget for that, and also he's here live. You can chat with him and talk to him, and he's very proud of his services. And offers a money-back guarantee. He's determined to give you the best website you've ever had, and he won't settle down until you are fully satisfied. So there we go. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Go and check that out and support one of our members who will give you a great service. All right. Is that for me? Sorry, I was on the phone. I have a friend who asked if you can set up YouTube page having the thumbnail intro. I have a friend who asks if you can help set up YouTube page having the thumbnail and intro. What do you mean, Sagum? I'm not sure what your question is. Please ask that again. I'm not sure what your question was there. We are falling off a cliff right now. This is a big day. Market Profit said we could have a day tomorrow when everything crashes, and it does look a bit like that. It does. Set up YouTube channels. What about setting up a YouTube channel? I'm not sure what the question is. With all good qualities. Sagum, start again. Start again. Ask me again. What exactly are you asking me? I've no idea what you're saying. I want to give you the best service and help you and support you. Of course I will. What I do offer, Sagan, is for gold members, and you can be a gold member 1 month and unsubscribe the next if you wanted to. I offer 2 1-hour Zoom calls a month, one-on-one, helping you set up your YouTube channel, your studio or equipment or any tech support whatsoever. I can even access your computer if you share with me. And I can actually go in and help you build your YouTube channel. I can actually do it for you, help you do it for you. That's a gold member service. I provide a 2 1-hour a month Zoom call where I can access, help you build your channel for you. So for the price of being a gold member for 1 month, you can have that service. It's what I do for my gold members. My friend will be added here for her to ask better. Does that make sense? Thanks. Yes, if they become a gold member, right, I will do it. I will access, I can set up a Zoom call with them. I have a calendar, which you can choose a time. The price of a gold membership. What is the price of a gold membership? Hope for ceasefire talks to it or else this month was the worst week for tech since 2020. Yes, good info. Okay. Here is the invitation. Go and have a little look. I can't remember what it is now. Is it $30? Something like that. I think it's $30. Anyway, here's the invitation to join, and I will provide 2 1 hours a month of Zoom calls. I can actually help you access your channel, do it for you. All right. Yes, good info. Market Profit is here. Market Profit told us yesterday. Now that is extremely good value. People charge hundreds and hundreds of dollars to build people's YouTube channels. And I do it for my gold members. Remember, it's all about, I give you 10 times what you invest in my channel. That's what I do. That's how I've set it up. Yes, guys, we are crashing right now. No question. Yeah. Market Profit predicted it. 1 hour a month. For how many hours? I give you 2 hours a month. 2 1-hour sessions where I will talk to you, help you. I'll even access your computer if you want me to. All right? Plus, you get all the other benefits as a member as well. Remember, it's not just that. It's a whole host of things. All right, we're getting serious now. We're getting some big drops here. We're getting some very, very big drops right now. Virgin Galactic is down at 8%, at 8, nearly 9% now. Big drops. Rivian is down 5%. Big drops. Tesla is down 861. Yeah. Big, big drops today. Market Profit predicted it yesterday. He said this could happen today. Now, what's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is also dropping. So the war is, we've said before, we're surprised how little the war has affected the stocks. It's been phenomenal. We've been growing and growing and up and up and up. Now we're seeing it. Now we're seeing it. Yeah, we're seeing it everywhere now, folks. Okay? So we really are seeing it now come through. And the war is getting extremely, extremely worrying. I believe, whether we like it or don't, I believe we are moments away from a third world war. I believe that's going to happen with hardly any doubt whatsoever. It's clearly obvious that Vladimir Putin wants to reaffirm the Soviet Union. It is as clear as day. He's now bombing indiscriminately all over the Ukraine. In fact, I can bring you some breaking news about what he's doing right now.
Yeah, but let's take a quick look at the north. For the past few days, of course, we've been talking about that convoy that is moving towards Kiev. As we understand it, that convoy is held up. Just, Michael, why is that convoy, after 3 days, still not able to capture Kiev?
Well,
Sagum, it's 2 hours a month, and it's every month. As long as you remember, I'm there to help you. It's there as long as you remember. I mean, it's, you know, as long as you remember, I'm going to help you, okay?
Outside of the military angle of this and the humanitarian angle, of course, millions of people have been displaced. If we can bring up the wider map of Ukraine, the millions have been displaced, millions are crossing the border. There are calls for humanitarian corridors. How would that work in practice? This is an active war zone.
Well, it might work, given that there are countries to the west, so, you know, Poland and Slovakia, Romania, Moldova, are all willing to host supplies that could be sent in with humanitarian convoys, or humanitarian routes. No, those routes would have to be controlled by civilians, so United Nations or OSCE, the Organization of Security and Cooperation in Europe, and they might make some difference. But they've got long distances to go before they can really help people, apart from those at Lviv, who are in the west. But they still require the agreement of the Russians. And at the moment, the Russians are using civilians as part of their weapon of war. I'm not sure they would agree to anything until they feel as if they're about to win and occupy all the cities in the country.
So humanitarian aid may be into the west, but certainly not into the east at this point.
No,
the Russians
I mean, there's no humanitarian possibilities for these poor people in the Crimea or up towards the Donbass region or in Kharkiv.
No, not at this point. OK, Michael Clark, thank you very much for that analysis. Sarah Jane, back to you.
There you go. There's more information coming in now for Ukraine. I use the BBC and Sky News to share with you. That's what I use. It's just facts on the ground, and there are now indiscriminate bombs being dropped all over Ukraine, hospitals, schools. It's unbelievable what is happening now. There we go. Quite tragic. All right, we're coming to the end of our show now, because we have our special Ukraine event, which comes up every day at 11 a.m. Central, which is 12 p.m. Eastern Time. It's on again today. I do it every day. Very, very somber, and it's to support those people in Ukraine. I offer discussion. I offer music, and if you're interested to join me, it's on the Martyn Lucas channel. If you go to the homepage of the Day Trader and you look at the Martyn Lucas channel, you'll see my channel here. And this is the event today. I do it every day. Okay? Every work day. It's in 92 minutes from now. Here it is. You can go there now. Leave a comment. You can, on YouTube, if you watch me, you can share comments to the world, and they all go out on the screen. This is the event. It's all done in colours of Ukraine. It's live every weekday. So come and join me. And once you get there, look, give a thumbs up to the video, support it, share it. I'm trying to reach as many people as possible. It's what I do. It's my contribution to the war. Just sharing what I do, supporting people in any way I can. Okay? I don't make any money from the video at all. It's you might see ads pop up, but the music is all copyrighted. It doesn't go to me, it goes to the songwriters. I don't make any money from this broadcast whatsoever. All right? Nothing, zero. Just so you know. Okay. We're coming to the end of our show right now. C3 AI continue to pop up. Snowflake still just starting to move down. The market has dropped $1,300 today. Very, very tough day, as you can see. SoFi is down today 5%. I've kept my position there. Tesla, I've kept my position there. I've gained some more today. 870. I've got one set at 801. Should it go any lower? but I'm not going to buy any more. 879 is my average right now. Hey, you want some chicken today? Smash the likes here. Raise the spirits. Here he is. We're all doom and gloom with Ukraine. And then our friend Robert, smash the like. Robert comes in and takes the mood up. I love it. Ford has big exposure to Russia. Yes, it does. I'm not in Ford, as you know. Russia is going to go bankrupt. I would imagine it's going to get a lot worse. A lot worse. Yeah. It's terrible. Virgin Galactic is now moving up slightly. 875. We've got an average now of 915. Very nice. We've got no more orders in. I think what we'll do, because we're going to end the show now, is well, I'm not going to set any orders. So does Apple. Yeah, Apple are not selling any iPhones at all. Any Apple products in the whole of Russia. There are no Apple products going into Russia. Who told you Ford has a big Russia exposure? That's from Musanella. That's not from me. That's from Musanella. Yeah, nearly every connection imaginable is now being severed with Russia. The Olympic Games gone. Sports gone. Formula One. Football, as you call soccer, is gone. Netflix gone, Disney gone, Google gone, Apple gone. No FedEx in or out, no flights in or out. What else is there? The oligarchs, their money's being seized. In France today, someone seized a yacht. A billionaire was trying to get out of France. Literally, he was getting on the boat. It needed to be serviced. It's got lots of work to be done on it. And he decided to flee quickly, and they seized it. I mean, it's getting really serious. What we're watching now is, I am sad to say, and I'm sad to even think it, but I believe we're at the edge of World War III. I can't see how we can avoid it, because Vladimir Putin is all out now reclaiming the Soviet Union. He's going to invade Poland next. He's not just going to sit there. I mean, Ukraine is now burning. He's bombing hospitals. He's bombing schools. You can see it. I don't know if you've watched it on Sky News or BBC, but it's all happening.
Nearly 1,003,000 people have now fled to neighbouring countries since the conflict began.
There we go. This is Sky News. 1 million people now fled the country. Thoughts on exit for Snow? I got in yesterday at 191. Just joined the show. Adnan. I saw. Now everybody, this is the guy I was telling you about. Adnan became a silver member. Huge love and respect to Adnan. Would everybody please welcome this guy in? He's not been a regular to the show, but he's come straight in as a silver member. Huge. Thank you very much indeed. Now, Adnan, you get lots of perks as a silver member. One of the perks you get is if you have a YouTube channel or you have a TikTok channel or any social media, please connect with me and my social media. And as a silver member, I will follow all of your social media. Just tell me that you are who you are in a message so I know it's you, because you might use a different username. And I tag you in my viral posts. It helps you grow on social media. If you are a silver member and you have a YouTube channel and you want to be on the homepage of my YouTube channel, you have that right. Also, if you make me a manager on your YouTube channel, I will make you a testimonial video and upload it to your YouTube channel and promote it, and all my members will watch it, like it, share it. Silver members love that perk. Also, you can have a 20-minute free concert. People hire me $500 for a 20-minute concert. You can do a fundraiser or a birthday or celebration for whatever you want. Here is the all links button for all the social media in the chat right now. Now, would everybody please welcome Adnan. Please welcome him. He's our latest member. I was doing a deal yesterday on Snow, and I saw you live stream and thought I'd join your day trading group. Well, thank you very much indeed, Adnan. Just so you know who we are. So my name is Martyn Lucas. I'm from Cornwall, the United Kingdom. This is my TV studio. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio here. And I do a lot of fundraiser events. That's how I can offer you the concerts and stuff like that. We've raised over $1 million on my Martyn Lucas channel for members and fundraisers and so on. And you are entitled to all of that now. By day, I day trade. And this is my life savings. I've gone from 5,000 to 58. Now we're back at where we are right now because of all the current crises, of course. And there you go. Muzan is one of our biggest traders. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is one of our sponsors. And this guy, everybody, came straight in as a silver member. That's absolutely huge. Breaking news here. Martin has reported United Parcel Service paused service to Russia. Yep. Stock is up 1.5% today. That's crazy, right? The stock's up when they pause the service. How does that make any sense? So there we go. If Adnan, you'd put in your city and country, please do let us know where you're from. So I'm from Cornwall, but my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. And all the members now are welcoming you in. Please take advantage of all the benefits that we give you. Here is the all links button again. Go and follow all my social media. And as a silver member, I will follow all of yours and tag you in. Just please message me so I know it's you in each of those. That's Twitter, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, okay? I'm a cybersecurity professional and day trader. Well, lovely to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. Where are you from in the world? And can't thank you enough for your membership. And after 2 months, your membership will be upgraded. You will turn gold. And you see all the members with their badges. Muzanella's our biggest trader. His badge is now gold. He's been a member now for nearly 3 months. We're 7 months old, but we only added membership 3 months ago, 3 months ago, when we became a monetized channel. And on Friday morning, we go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. This is the opening bell. We've got the closing bell later. Every morning on Friday, we do a cash giveaway for our members. Now, I basically give away what I earn. I earn about $10 a day on YouTube right now. That's all I earn. And I give it away on Friday. And as we hit 100,000 subscribers, which we are on target to do in the next 12 months, I'm going to give away a $1,000 cash prize. It's members only, though. And sometimes we have sponsors who give away prizes, and we have that on Friday as well. So you are in that as well, and you'll be added to the raffle as well. This is the raffle. You'll be added to this now. You're not on it right now, but you will be on this
First Deputy
later
Minister,
on.
Your government remains fully... Okay,
you'll be added to this later on for tomorrow's show. All right, Atlanta, Georgia, but from India. Sounds good. I will add you after live stream. Wonderful stuff. There we go. Thank you very much indeed for all of that. Right, we're just going to wrap up the show. Martin, do you have any strategies for the next leg down? Is that Martin Redding, spelt with an I, or is that me? If you're asking me, not really. I'm obviously not buying in anything now. I'm fully invested. I'm not selling anything, obviously, because there's no money to be profits to be made. Right now, I have no strategy. I'm just holding on and sitting it out. To be quite honest, there's not really a great deal to do. Martin Luther King. Now I don't know who that is, right? No, I've got no strategy right now. So, just before we end, also, snow. You were asking about snow, right? This is what I did, Snowflake, last night. This is what I did. We were given this tip. Yesterday by Peru Invest, one of our angel investors. He came in the other day and gave me a really good tip, like $300. He actually gave me a tip to buy me a screen for my TikTok audience. That's what I use the money for. This is what I did. I bought 5 shares, 198, sold out 5 shares at 207. We're now up to 220, but it's dropping back. I'm out. I tell you now, one of our two top investors, Peru Invest and Drillion, they're still in. They're still in. It's up to you. I mean, I do things differently. I don't use charts. I just go on nibble profits, little bit by it, a little bit at a time. I don't believe in charts, and I've explained that why on the show many times. But there's our position. Ford will stop making cars. For most, the hit will prove immaterial. Russia is just too small a market to make all that a big difference. Snowflake is scary to hold. There we go. Market profit is saying it's scary to hold. So there you go. You take your choice of what you want to do with that. Tesla is now down at 859. We're getting big drops now. Thanks, guys. And if you join the Twitter or TikTok, then our members can communicate on there, or you can leave comments below the videos and our members will comment back there. And as a member, I will reply to all your comments, okay? I don't reply to everyone's comments, I can't. But as a member, I reply to all your comments and I will share those to the relevant people and get you all the support that you need, all right? And don't forget to let us know when it's your birthday, the day before, the day of, or the day after, for you or any member of your family that you love and care for. We will celebrate them on the show. All right? Indo could break out again. Ryan Sullivan, there we go. Information there coming in from Ryan Sullivan. All right. We're getting big sell-offs now. This is a bit scary. It's a bit scary, I'll tell you that. It's a bit scary. Market Profit said it would be this way. Yes, you did. You're talking in the third person there. Market Profit said it would be this way, and that's you. You did say it would be this way. You did predict it, and you're absolutely right. You're dead right. And thanks for all the follow. Tesla, Apple, over there on TikTok. How are you? We're over here on YouTube. Tesla and Apple. Yeah, these are companies that are all obviously cutting all ties with Russia, and as of up to now, not really been affected much by the war, but we're now seeing big sell-offs. Market Profit predicted it. This must be one of the 50% when he is right. Hey, I tell you what, I have to really think what I say, you know, because not only is it there forever in stone, it's in YouTube forever. You guys remember, someone yesterday told me off. I wasn't wearing a tie. They went, I thought you were wearing a tie now with the war started, and I was. And yesterday I didn't put one on, and someone noticed it. A Market Profit, I said it was 60%, 40% right, I said, didn't I? But anyway, can you look at INDO? So now we're up to 50-50 now because you're right today. So anyway, I'm sure that's just I'm just guessing. I don't really know. I've not written it down, everything that you say, and then worked out the actual number. Right. Can you look at Indo? 54% today. Indonesia Energy, 54% today. Look at this, guys. You could have made some serious money here today. Look at this. Indonesia Energy, 400% in a month. Whoa, look at that. I am wrong way more than I'm right. Well, we worked it out about 50-50. So yesterday it was 60-40. Now we're saying 50-50. Indo as a moving has moving up since 6 a.m. But when I'm right, I'm really right. When will the market climb big time? Oil. Look at that. Bloody hell. I mean, that's a rise. Martyn Redding wants the best to call you on. Martyn Redding, what's the best number to call you on? Cheers. Oh, sorry, that's for, yeah, that's for Alex and Martyn Redding. Those guys are going to set up some business with Nudge It, Budget, Move It, one of our sponsors. Indonesia Energy, wow, that's some 58%. Bloody hell. Thank you for bringing that to us, our attention. I have, right now, I'm just standing by. I've bought some dips this morning. We could go so much lower than this. What I could do now, one strategy is sell everything out and buy back a collapse. That is one strategy. Or stay where I am right now and hope that things improve. Dave Mottram, the Fed won't move markets anymore. All eyes are on ceasefire talks. That's the only saving grace if anything comes out of talks tonight. Market, I don't think there is, you know. It's clear to me that Vladimir Putin, for the fact he is bombing schools, hospitals indiscriminately, you can see it, you can watch it live on the BBC, live on Sky News every day. Clearly obvious he wants to take over. He wants to bring back the Soviet Union. And the moment he decides to push into Poland, this is Adolf Hitler all over again. America, Britain, Europe, 95% of the world. The only ones who won't join in, of course, are China, Syria, North Korea, all the idiots. The rest will have to get involved. And whether we like it or whether we don't, whether we agree with it or whether we don't, we will be at war again. I don't know what that will do to the stocks. I don't know if that's going to completely crash everything. If we're at a war, I mean, what happens? I mean, I've not been alive during a world war. What happens in a war? In a world war, I can't see anyone. I can't see anyone being bothered to buy a new Tesla. I can't see anyone being bothered to take a space rocket ride up with SPCE. I mean, what do you think? I mean, I don't know. My suggestion to everyone: don't do research on what happens when nuclear war breaks out. Bye-bye humanity. My suggestion to everyone, don't do research. Yeah, exactly. Well, I tell you what, I've already discussed it with my wife. I hope the bomb lands right on top of our house. Because if that happens, that's perfect. We'll just be watching the telly, boom, gone. What you don't want is it 1,000 miles down the road and then get radiation. You don't want that. No one is going to back down. I think he's pushed around too much by NATO previously. Now he's gone mad. GGPI. GGPI, thank you for that, Ryan. I had profit there this morning. I've still got profit, but me and my father said the same thing. Stocks in powdered eggs. Stocks in powdered eggs. I mean, we can only laugh. I know it's terrible, but what else can you do? All I can do is my Ukraine event every day. Like I said before, I don't get any money from doing that. I just do it. This is my Ukraine event every day. A 1 hour of Sound of Silence, Bridge Over Troubled Water. I play the Ukraine national anthem. We send it out to those people. A lot of people share it in Ukraine. There is the video if you want to watch it. It's live today in 71 minutes. I do it every day. That's all I do. That's all I can do. And in the meantime, we stand by and we watch. I can only imagine. I mean, you know, what must it be like? I have lots of canned goods. Yeah. Well, it's a doom and 4% today. What does everybody feel right now? Do we really feel that this, what would happen? Right, let's get a poll. Because then, you know, sometimes take a loss and protect yourself. Sell all my stocks, sell everything. Just take, I mean, what's left in my portfolio and stick it in the bank. 38,000. I can't find a decent looking trade. There isn't, mate. There isn't. Sell everything, take the loss and go, what the hell? Let's ask that question. Should we sell it all? So even though I'm down, this could get a lot worse. If I sell everything, I'm down, put the 38 grand in the buying power and do nothing. Take the losses, because remember, if you take the losses, you're done. I've got $38,000. If I do nothing and 38 goes to 28, 18, that's it. Well, obviously, it can come back, but what do you think? Should we sell it all? If we really think a third world war is around the corner, should we sell it all? And I want your honest opinions, folks. If any of you want my Ukraine logo, I can forward to Martyn and he will send it to you. Very, very nice. Yeah, please send it to me and I will make it available. I'll make it available. Indo is going up. Right, we just look at Indo a minute ago. Let's go back to that. Indo. Look at this. It is moving again. Yeah, it is going up. I mean, you just don't invest in things like this, though, do you? I mean, when you've got a market that's jumped 129%, you buy in that yeah, it could go to 1,000%. You could absolutely just become a millionaire overnight. But also that could fall right back down again now, because it's already done all it's already done all its growth. Everyone's buying into it. And if I was buying into that now, I'd be taking profits, wouldn't you? If I was up 59% right now, who wouldn't sell out and just get all their money out? Inflation running at historic highs. The Fed can't print more money anymore. The only thing we can hope for is a ceasefire. If you think if war won't end soon, then you selling might be the best scenario. See that? I just text it to you. Thank you very much indeed, Moose. So what do we think? That's I agree. I do agree. That's a very hard price that's a very heavy price. But at the end of the day, $38,000 is $38,000. You started, yes, correct. But it's irrelevant. I don't go on about that anymore. It's irrelevant now. Stagflation is brutal economic reality. At the end of the day, I've got $38,000. That's the value of my stocks right now. If in a month's time, all the stocks are half price, I can buy them all back and then we can go back up again. You save money doing that. But having $38,000 and suddenly go to 20, 15, 10, and then companies will go bankrupt. Yeah, we're seeing everything fall. Energy and oil has been the most consistent during all of this. Yeah, I got that, Ryan. I translated that. Twitter, we're getting everything now. Indonesia energy, look at it. Look at it, guys. Up, 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 up. Timing the market is very hard. It's impossible. I'd go further than that and say it's impossible. With what's going on now, see Virgin Galactic, that could go to nothing. Sell a few thousand, I'm sitting around 15%. I'm looking at my Virgin Galactic and looking at it and thinking, I've lost $600, sell it all. Buy it back for $6, buy it back for $4. Who the hell is going to want to go on a Virgin Galactic flight if the Third World War? No one. You don't need Virgin Galactic. I'm seriously thinking, I'm not joking, right? I'm looking at it right now. Taking a $600 loss. Seriously. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it right now. 1,100. I can always buy it back when it's $6. Yeah, I'm going to take that loss. I'm going to take that loss because what do you believe? 1,100. Buy it back this afternoon. Right, I've got my finger on the sell, 1,100. Take $600 loss and then buy it back. Sell. I done it. I wouldn't sell, mate. I just done it. Your average cost is low. I've done it. At the end of the day, it is what it is. I'm selling. I know what you're all saying to me. Stop what you're doing. But I think it's time to protect assets right now. I'm not prepared to lose any more. I haven't got that money to lose. Remember, guys, this is all the money in the world I have. Well, I haven't got cash at the moment, as you can see. I just am preventing further losses. I don't need this money. I don't need this money right now. I've got 6 months of bills paid, mortgage paid. I don't need this money. This money could drop, but what you don't want is any outstanding orders. See, look, Indonesia energy going back down again. See, you can't suddenly invest in stuff like that. It's already gone to the moon. But Virgin Galactic, now I've sold it all. It could really now go down. It could go down to anything, couldn't it? Look, even Google's going down. I've sold all my Bitcoin. If you're going this route, get one last vacation in Cancun before the nuclear bomb drops. Get drunk and sing naked on some beautiful beach in Mexico. Hey, for me, mate, it'd be a beautiful beach in England. It wouldn't be in Mexico. I tell you that. I tell you that. My lowest is 35,000. The lowest my portfolio dipped to. Obviously, it started at 5, but it dipped to 35. It's never gone below that. C3 AI is going back down. Snowflake is going back down as well. SoFi is going back down. All right, I'm going to Cancun July, so someone better sort Putin out before then. I'm thinking of taking a road trip to Arizona next week. Need some sun on my skin. Yeah, don't we all, right? $864, and of course, as I sold it, it's starting to go up. So I took a $600 loss, which could have been a profit, but there you go. Now, the only way to fix that is to buy now before it moves, or wait for it to go less. Sun, what the hell's that? Can't remember the last time I saw that. Virgin Galactic is showing signs of moving right now. Raining here, Dave Mottram said. All right. No selling. It's a recipe. It is a recipe for disaster. Farid Mustav. Farid has just joined us. Welcome to Farid. How are you? New guest to the show. What's your average cost on Tesla? It's sold now. I don't have an average cost on Tesla anymore. It's gone. I got one. Hold and wait, rebound. It's not the end of the world. It could be the end of the world. Yeah. Yeah, it could be the end. No one can read a crystal ball. But in times like this, I'm okay with where I am. This is, but you can't be. It may be the end of the world for weak traders. Farid Mustav. I'm not a weak trader, I don't believe. I just think at the moment we're trending down. And It makes sense to take a loss and then buy back at a lower price because you lost anyway. At that point when you're down, you're already down. If you then sell it at a loss and then buy it back at a lower price, you've saved money. You're in a better position. If you think it's going to suddenly pop back up, obviously you're going to be out of the money. But if you're down 10% and then you sell everything at 10% down and then it goes down 20, 30%, you've saved the difference, right? Hello, how you doing? It's me, Liam Sankey. Welcome, welcome. The reality is the US equity prices are way, way overvalued and the economic outlook is way worse than 2019. Now you do the maths. Never time the market. It is impossible. Never time the market. It is impossible, I think you mean. Farid, I totally agree. I never time the market. I don't even read charts. If you follow the show, you'll know how I trade. If Russia attacks, it will be an EMP attack. That's fries all semiconductors. So that means no electricity, no cars. Oh man. Yeah, you can't. I don't know. Right, now, I've got to end the show. As you all know, I do my bit for Ukraine every day. I hope you'll all come and join me. Have me on in the background. I do a few songs. As you know, Elton John named me World Piano Man. There is the link in the chat. It's on my main channel, the Martyn Lucas Music channel. On the homepage of the Day Trader, there's my channel. Come and join me. I do it live every day during the war. I'm here to support and share. I make nothing from the videos. Know that. It's here's the Day Trader where you are right now, and it's on the Martyn Lucas channel. So you click here, and I've just given you the link. This is it right now. I just do it as a way to do my part in the war. It's all I can do as a musician, entertainer. I try to do my bit, but there you go. Flipping to your math and his scammy antics. Yes, indeed. The markets are collapsing. Australia, Sanchin, welcome all of you. We've got a lot of new people today visiting the show. Click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. If you are new here, here are all links for all the free stocks we give away. I'm sponsored by lots of people and I give all that stuff away. We're here to support and bring a community together. That's what we do. There is the all links button. If you'd like to be a member of the channel and receive many, many perks, and as an investment channel, what we do is we give you 10 times back what you pay as a member. Many, many things. Too many things here to mention, but I promote your YouTube channel, your social media. I interact with you. As the World Piano Man, I do you live fundraiser concerts. We've raised over $1 million on my Martyn Lucas channel for charities and my members. It's all there. There's lots and lots of benefits and perks for you. Thank you everyone who joined me today on TikTok. Thanks for being here. Thank you everybody on Instagram, everybody on Twitter. You are not investors, you are gamblers. Farid, I am an investor. I'm not a gambler. I've never gambled in my life. You are new to the channel. We've been here every single day for 7 months. I'm live 3 hours in the morning, 3 or 4 hours every afternoon, every day. That's not what we do. Please get to know the family, talk to the family, learn what we're about. These people watch my show every single day, right? We're not gamblers whatsoever. Not whatsoever. I've never gambled in my life, all right? So get to know the family, get to know what we're all about, and you will learn and discover that we are. This is the most engaging YouTube channel on YouTube. Ask any of the members; they will all tell you that. And in the chat, you have some very, very big investors. We have a guy we call an investor angel, Peru Invest, and we have a huge a billionaire sponsor. That is Melinda Source. We have some wonderful people, and what we do is not gamble whatsoever. We learn from each other. What you will see, what you don't see on other YouTube channels, is my real money, my real trades, my real position, and everyone's real. This is my real cash. This is all the money I have in the world. Everything you see here is real. Right, now then. 858, 863. Virgin Galactic is still going down. Everything is still going down. Twitter is going back down. Nvidia is now starting to rise. Peloton is starting to rise. Facebook is trying to push up. GGPI is pushing up again. Lucid is now starting to push up. Tesla has now reached 853. You're not investors, you are gamblers. Just reading that comment from Farad there. Not at all. Not at all. Never gambled in my life. I don't have a mortgage. I have no car loan. I have no finance. Never gambled a penny in my life. Tesla 853. Rivian is now starting to push up. SPCE, I'm currently out. Right, I think that's pretty much wrapping up the show. So there is the link if you wish to join me for the Ukraine event in just 50 minutes from now. There it is. Come and join me. I hope you'll be part of that. Our message to the world. SoFi is still falling. Tesla is still falling. 851. You will regret selling Spce in a week. Let me just tell you, Farid, I wish you knew more about the channel. Sir Richard Branson, I know him personally. My home in England is 5 minutes from the spaceport in the UK. I'm very familiar with Virgin Galactic, know Richard Branson, know the spaceport. Believe it's my second best stock, that with with Tesla. Remember, Sir Richard Branson himself sold his own shares. It doesn't matter that I've sold out. I know Virgin Galactic is going to be a $100 stock. I know 100% it's going to be. And I have had 1,500 shares, which I made profit from, just 15 shares of Virgin Galactic. And I've sold those 1,500 shares half a dozen times and made money from it. I know Virgin Galactic is going to be fantastic, but firsthand. Do you know Richard Branson firsthand? I do. Do you live 5 minutes from the spaceport? I do. I believe in it 100%. That doesn't mean to say I have to own the stock right now at this precise moment. I've owned it 100 times. I owned it a few moments ago, and I did the right thing by selling it all again. And the title of this video is I sold it all, and I've done it again. It does not make sense to be down on the stock and just watch your money go down and down and down and down and down. You're best selling out and then buying back cheaper. If you think that's gambling, I don't know what gambling is. I blame Powell for talking. The more he talks, the more the stocks go down. Thanks, Ryan. Good insight. Anyway, that's where we are right now. $8.58. Okay. Looking at this now. Investing is gambling to an extent. No, it's not. No, it's not. Because if you pick red or black, that's gambling. It's not based upon any fundamentals whatsoever. It's not based on any research whatsoever. It's not based on any experience whatsoever. Whereas Virgin Galactic, if you know, or any of the stocks, if you know what the product is, what they're doing, and so on and so forth, then I'm looking at buying back 100 shares now of Virgin Galactic. I'm waiting for something to happen. Then it's not gambling at all. It's either red or green, it's either up or down. Yeah, there is that way of looking at it. I'll give you that. Just bought back 300 shares of Virgin Galactic. We're looking at Twitter, looking at Nvidia, looking at Peloton, Facebook, GGPI, Lucid, trading sideways now, Hood, for me, trading is gambling. The odds are the same as a roulette wheel. No, not at all. I don't agree with that. Yeah, I respect your opinion, but I don't agree with that at all. Should we sell it all? 61% say yes, 31% say no. Interesting. Okay, I'm making money with Virgin Galactic. Long-term investment is a different story. They're all part of the same thing. They're all part of the same thing. Swing trading, day trading, scalp trading, long-term investment, it's all part of the same thing. You don't join a fan club. I could buy shares in one thing and leave it for 20 years. Or I could trade it along the journey and make 10 times the amount of money. Not only that is it's fun, but not only that, I'm in the privileged position of having a community here of people that watch the day trader, and it would be pretty boring if all we did was, okay, I bought stocks 20 years ago and now I'm up 100% and we're going to wait another 20 years before I sell them all. What would be the point of that? So that would be a pretty boring show. So there you go. Anyway. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. I'm just getting ready now. I'm running over time. I've got to go and prepare for my Ukraine event. I do it every day, as you know. And I was named World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. And I do my live music to the world every weekday during the war. That's what we do. I just sold Tesla to 854 851. Buy it back at 851. $851. Okay, I've just bought back Tesla there, so I've saved some money. See you on the other channel. Thank you very much, Nudget. Appreciate you being there with me. And please share it with as many people as you can. So you can hold stuff for 20 years and still lose money. Some even go bankrupt. Yes, exactly. I don't believe in joining fan clubs, because then you'll just, that's gambling. I'm going to buy Apple, and in 20 years' time, it's going to be my pension. Well, what if somewhere along the line, Apple doesn't exist anymore? No. That's what a lot of people do, because it's convenient and it's easy. Just forget about it. I don't do that. Okay, so there we go. We are now back in on Tesla, and we're making money now because we've lowered our averages dramatically. SPCE, we're making money. We've lowered our average dramatically. So that $600 I lost in Virgin Galactic, I haven't lost it because I bought it back at a much cheaper price. So I stopped losing the money. I saved money. I made money. So when it goes up from 861, it's much better than going up from 880 wherever I was before, right? Obviously, I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to work that out. Making money in stock is boring. I find it interesting. And my community, it's gone quite quiet now, Farid, because we've overrun. Most of my members have now gone. But my members will tell you, they watch me every single day, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night, every single day. They watch me more, we're together more than they are with their own families. We enjoy this community, love it. And then most of them will come and join me for my music in a minute when I sing to the world with the Ukraine show. So I've got to disappear now. We've made money with Virgin Galactic now. We're up $10, which is nice. We'll see what happens there. If it goes up, we'll have some growth in the stock. If it goes lower, I'll buy some more at $7.99, something like that. And that's all fine. So on the live position now, we're starting to improve slightly. We're down 4% today, which isn't a crash. Not at all. SoFi is starting to stabilize. Tesla's now coming up. We've got 4 shares of Tesla now. Has Peru stopped by? Yes, he has. He came in this morning. He'll be here this afternoon at 3:30. I certainly mentioned to him about the prize. Every Friday we give away to our members because remember he said about I might give an iPhone away. So I let him know about the prize tomorrow. So let's see if he does that. Anyway. Tesla is now moving up. I've just bought 4 shares of it. Indo hit 24. There we go. Did he share any tips today? He did, but I forgot what they are now. He's still in on AI C3. No, C3 AI. He's still in that. He's still in SoFi as well, I believe. Right. Tesla's now firing up, and I've got my shares at the lower price. So we're making money on Tesla now. We're just $8 down. Getting a recovery there. I have just 4 shares in it right now. At a much lower average. Rivian is now starting to come up. Virgin Galactic is now starting to come up. 868. We're seeing a recovery now. Okay, just bought another 300 shares there. 862 is my average. I just increased it slightly, but I like how it's feeling now. Twitter, Nvidia, Palantir, yeah, okay. Okay, right, we're starting to rise. Okay, I'm out now. It's time to get ready for my show. So I want to thank everyone for being here. Got to run. Here is the link one final time if you want to join me for Ukraine today. Here is the link for you in the chat. It's in the chat right now, and we'll see you in a short while back for the closing bell, or if not on that show. Thanks for being here. Tomorrow, of course, we've got the closing bell this afternoon, and tomorrow we've got the cash giveaway as well. And the portfolio now we're starting to lift up quite quickly. We're starting to move. Looking at it right now, we're starting to move. So I've repositioned. I've got back into Tesla. That's now making money, and SPCE is now making money. Good, good, good. That's it. Reposition and adjust to what's going on in the world. Take care of yourselves and each other.